Good day, everybody. Beautiful day on the homestead. Welcome to Bompa's Homestead. Today, since it's a nice day, I bought myself a tempo, so I'm gonna be putting that up. Yay! It's a double. It's a double one, so we can put two vehicles. Reason why two vehicles is we have three at the moment. Oh, wow. We have my wife's vehicle and my pickup right there, and we have this little Nissan Micra, which is from the village where we live. So the reason why we have the little car from the village where we live is that me and my wife were doing the surveillance of the roads during the winter. So what it is that we have to go and pass on the roads and verify how much snow there is on the roads to find out if we have to get the snow plows out. Don't want to get the snow plows out if there's not enough snow. So basically, me and my wife, we're gonna split. It's 7 days a week, so we're gonna be splitting that between me and her. So we're gonna be doing that, going around on the roads to verify the thickness of the snow and see if we need to have the snow plowers go out. I'm also going to be one of the snow plowers, so I'm going to be doing that 7 days a week in the evenings and during the evenings. So plus doing the verification of the roads, I'm going to be doing the snow plowing in the evenings. So reason why for the roads, I'm going to be to verifying the roads, I'm going to be splitting it with my wife because it's going to be a lot of work in my evenings. So we're going to try and get this going and see how that goes. So here we go. So I was working with my wife, and you can see the structure just fell. And please remember that I hurt my left arm a couple of weeks ago, and it's still hurting. And I thought my wife was holding the structure up, and she was not holding it adequately, and the structure fell. I tried to hold it with my left arm, and well, I basically twisted my arm and hurt it a whole lot more. So yeah, had lots of pain there. Tried to take it in. My wife was just a little disappointed that I hurt myself again. So yeah, it was the reason why is that you don't see it very much on camera, but the driveway goes downhill. So to help the beginning of the structure, I was trying to lean it in the other direction, so it wouldn't fall downwards. But that did not work. The structure was a little bit too heavy for my wife to hold. So yeah, well, just let you know, my arm does still hurt. So, but we're gonna keep on going. Okay, so just to show you where I'm at right now with the managed to get it all done. So very happy. Didn't film putting the top on, the tarp or whatever it's called, but didn't film putting it on. So bought it brand new, and there's straps on the bottom, straps on the top. So not completely finished yet, so gotta finish up with the doors. Well, there's two doors. There's doors in the front, doors in the back. So straps all over the place, so very happy with that. Put some cement blocks on the side to try and keep the wind from taking it away. Also strapped it down on the exterior. Don't know if you can see, but right there. So I put a peg in the screwed a peg into the ground and strapped it there. So got other ones over there. So very happy with that. So I got that done. So almost ready for winter for the vehicles. And now I'm installing on my pickup a air horn. Used to have one, but it stopped working. Show you here. So there's the compressor, and I have two horns. Just that the compressor stopped working. Was not a good place for me to put it in the front. So it stopped working, arrested and stopped working. So I bought myself exactly the same kit. It's a bit different, but not much. So I'm gonna reinstall that kit. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it temporarily here. It's quite cold outside, and I don't want to take everything apart here. So I'm just gonna reuse the wires that I had, and I'm going to strap it there. It's going to stay like that for the winter, and I'm going to connect the two horns that are here to the two horns and the compressor that are going to be there. So I'm going to start. So let's go. Okay, so just notice that I need another one like this. Now I know that it won't be the same, but I'm going to try and go to the store and see if I'm able to get something similar to this, because before, what I put in before was not made to go into this pipe. So I don't know if you see it, but it has treads on each end. But what's important for me is that it fits and doesn't pop out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and go to the store and see if I'm able to find a Y that's going to fit in this. So I'm going to try and go and do that. Okay, it got dark real fast. So I found a plastic tee which was too big, so I grinded it on each end, managed to put the my piping on it, and I put the duct tape on it. Not duct tape, electrical tape. I put electrical tape on it. So we're going to see if this is going to work or not. So I put that there. Okay. Now this one will go here. The other horn. I'm going to put it here. That like that. I'm just going to put them in any direction right now. I just want to test it and see if it's going to work or not. I'll place them in a direction. My wiring is here. Okay, so I'm going to put you here. You're going here. Okay. Yeah, let's see if this is going to work. Okay, that did not work. I think I have my wires wrong. Hoping that it's only that. Let's go see. Well, it works. I'm just not sure if it's coming out of all four horns, but it works. Nothing seems to have disconnected. My pipes are all okay. Yay! Alright, so what I'm just going to do now is just tie wrap everything so it doesn't move. I'm going to keep it like this for the winter. And in the spring, I'm going to take it off. Take it all apart. I have a plate here. I'm going to take the plate apart. I'm going to put some screws in, drill some holes, put some screws in, and should be good. So right now I just don't want it to move. So I'm going to see what I'm able to do. Mostly just don't want it to move around too much. Like I said, this is just temporary. I at least wanted to have the horn on the truck. I'm kind of doing this a little redneck style here. Not how I usually do things, but I want my air horn. There you go. Okay. I had that, this. That goes there. So I got a piping here. So now that I placed it, I'm going to try it one more time. Cool. So it works. Haha. I'm a happy camper for now. So it should not move. But we'll see how that goes. I'm going to be driving tomorrow. So gonna try that out. Well, there we have it. So filming the closure of my video here in my basement. It's been raining for the past 3 days. So decided not to go film outside like I usually do. So filming in my basement. So managed to get the tempo up. So happy about that. My wife is very happy because it's her vehicle that's going into it. My pickup is not going to be parked within the temple during the winter. It was temporarily when it was put up, but it's not. We're not going to be putting our. I'm not going to be putting my pickup in the in the temple. There's a second vehicle that we have here because we do the surveillance for the roads for winter. So we have the village gave us a car to do the surveillance during the night. Evenings and nights, so that's going to be parked in the temple with my wife's vehicle eventually. Still don't have no snow, very rare. Usually we already have some snow here, but the temperatures are still quite warm, which is surprising. So still pending on that snow. So I managed to get a couple of things done outside. Very happy with that. So moving slowly, getting ready for winter. For the building, I'm going to be looking to probably do some footings for a front balcony on the building. So I'm going to be doing that. I'll see if I'm able to get that done during the winter also. You know, I don't want to keep on working on that building during the winter. Just won't be doing the second floor during the winter because it's going to be too dangerous. So might be working on that balcony and working on the inside of the building. So I've started to transfer some stuff already within the community center because I've been putting everything within my garage, and well, I'm out of room in my garage, and I do want to keep on working on the inside of my garage during the winter also. So I'm going to be transferring some furniture into the new building. So we'll see how that goes. So thank you for watching, and as usual, please like and subscribe on the bottom, and please leave comments, always appreciated. Thank you for watching.